Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to use draw tools on Canva. On the left side, you see draw option here, click on it. Here you can choose your drawing pencils. You have pen for example. Then you have marker. Then you have highlighter. You have eraser to erase the drawing. Also you can move your drawing, resize it and also change the color. You can also change the transparency and weight of the pen. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.